At the M&S America car show. So we're gonna show y'all how they doing it out here, man. They doing it big, man. See everything. We back all the way back there. We got here a little earlier, we would have made it, but you know what it is. Oh yeah. I should have never put on the No, they got everything. Oh damn! Check out the Joker, man. I ain't never seen no bike like this. I'm gonna be honest. I can't even tell y'all what this is. Some type of Harley. Milwaukee 8. Hey, if y'all know something about this, y'all let me know, cause I can tell you right now, I don't know shit. This more my speed right here. They got this R7 looking bad as a. Ooh, look at that color. Y'all know blue my favorite color, so that's perfect right there. Let me give y'all a bit of. Give y'all some nice shots today. Tokyo, Houston, man. If y'all want to check them out, they got all their Instagram pages linked right here. They got the gizmos in the car. Gotta take that out. Gotta take that out the video. Oh yeah, man. This hoe is slam. Y'all see this? I don't even know how he got in here, honestly. Carbon fiber wide body kit, carbon fiber hood, damn. He went crazy with the carbon fiber steering wheel on the paddle shifters too. Check out the middle column. Carbon, man, boy. Whoever got this car, I know they loving it. They loving it. I'm loving it. Scar audio in the trunk. They got them bangs in that bitch. Dope boy, player shit. Man, hold on, let me pause this camera though. Check out this bike, bro. This hoe is hard. Look at it, man. Let's see what we can see what he got, man. See what he got in there. See the internal. This ain't no regular bike. This ain't no regular bike. I can tell y'all that right now. Oh, y'all want to check him out? Instagram, Fast Like Flacco. Check him out. With the portrait next to this shit. Boy, doing it big. Oh, I didn't even check this out. He got Venom everywhere. Come on now, this is Venom. He even got his own damn floor mat out here, bro. He's doing it nice. Yeah, Mopar, no par. Everywhere we go, Mopar, no par. I see all these Japanese cars, all the nice little foreign cars and something. But like we say, hey, bag riders, man. Mopar or no car. Straight like that, it's straight business. When we get out here, they got that fancy shit. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? I smell it. Like I said, Mopar, no car. Hey man, he was out with us last night. I think this is the same car from last night. Somebody tried to punch that shit. Damn. Like I said, man. Check them out. cars here, bro. There's so many cars, but you know our favorites. You know our favorites, man. V6 shouted. It's a clean ass Mustang. It's a Dragon thing, man. Give me 5'7" thing. See it. Nice. Man, this thing. Hey, man. You thought I was feeling you? That's crazy, man. Hey, check him out, dog. I'm talking about he slammed to the floor. I think it's a Lexus 430, maybe. Yo, I may be all the way wrong. If I'm all the way wrong, I'm muting the audio. Y'all know it. They gotta be on the inside. Damn, man, this is what you call luxury right here. This is the 5.0 boys. Oh, look at that sticker, dog. Check them out. Kobe, R.P. Kobe, man. That's the livest sticker I ever seen. That's Kobe on there. Got the Kobe Bryant 5.0. With the round. Oh, no, automatic, right? Oh, yeah, this is nice. Look at this R8. Hold on, man. Look at that. Yeah. I didn't really see it. Oh my God. I ain't gonna lie, this is my favorite car so far. Look at the seats, dog. And it's a manual, so I know he's dragging an R8. Yeah, man. Yeah. I got this one voted to win over mine. Shit, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I got this R8 right here. This the livest car here, man. The livest car here over anybody. Hold on. I may have spoke too soon. It's a RT Charger right here. Oh, no. This is not no regular Charger. You see that big ass bottle of boost in the back? That is not no regular Charger. Yeah. Oh, this is definitely not a, hold on, man. I don't even think this is a RT no more. This is definitely not no fucking regular Charger at all. Man, I can tell y'all this. This is not no regular car. Get a better shot for y'all, man. Yeah. Check out the Mopar Outlaw, man. Powered by SRT. Yeah, we got the real SRT. Not powered by it. Oh, we got the whole Outlaw collection over here, man. Whole Outlaw collection, man. Check them out. Look at the custom badges. Yeah, 6-4 gas. Check them out on Instagram if you like the car. Gremlin64. $392 for one, man. What does it look like on the inside, man? Okay, clean. Clean, man. You see the back title, don't cook. Don't cook, man. This is what I like to see, man. You see all these drift cars, all this go around the corner. This is what I like to see. American muscle. American fucking muscle, man. This is a live rap. Look, man. You can almost guess what he do. Got a firefighter right here, man. He saved lives. He saved lives one day at a time, man. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice, man. Yeah. Yeah, this is clean.
The handles off of the top locks, and then the vents in the front, those move as well.
Okay, let's check them out. You mind shouting yourself out on Instagram? You want to get in front of the camera, shout yourself out on Instagram?
What do you want? I don't know what to say. Hey, it's Texas Snow. This is my ride.
Yeah, look at
firefighters.
Look at it, man. You can't get in this one. Yeah, this is nice. Check her out. Check her out.
You see the vents?
Yeah, let's go check out the vents. Oh my goodness. This is not the regular one. Y'all ain't got this. This is a badass car. If y'all don't know it, y'all can tell. You can see it. So I'm guessing you're a firefighter.
Upcoming firefighter,
okay,
yeah.
Okay.
But this is represent my brother and my uncles. They're all firefighters.
That's nice. That's nice. You're doing a good representation.
Thank you. This is my little
Look. They opened up on me. Oh shit. All that air. That was a cool ride. It's a cool ride. No, Kia boy, come get him. Come get him. I would drop my location, but them Kia boys might pull up. Ooh, look, man, he got a whole memorial for his car right here. You want to know the modifications? Here it is, man. This is everything he got done to his car, man. I ain't seen nobody with a plaque yet, man. Oh yeah, he do this on a regular. He do this on a regular, man. Let's show off his trophy. Best Subaru. Tuna Galleria, man. Show off his trophy, man. That's what I like to see. That's exactly what I like to see. Show your trophy. Best Subaru, man, right here. Oh my God! Look at this. Look at the vibe. Oh boy. Let me see if I can get a better look here. Oh my God. Hey man, DWA_Musk on Instagram. Got all the stops on the back. And this GT right here. Big gangster. Oh. Check them out, man. Check them out, man. Fire extinguisher. Oh, he got his awards back here too. That's live, bro. He got his awards in case. Check out the. So we know we gotta go check that engine out. Let's go look at it, man. Look at the car, man. We got somebody in there right now, man. It's a big ass fucking wheel. And then he got his fabricators on there. He's just showing a little video of the fabrication work that was getting done to the car, throughout the car. Okay. It's not no regular. Not a regular Mustang. Yeah. Oh, I didn't even check. I didn't even get the hood for y'all, man. Let me get the hood. Oh my god. Oh, all that about that R8 being my favorite car here was that I didn't see this box body. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This my speed right here. This is my dream build, actually. This is actually my dream build. Old school Fox body Mustang. Oh my god, man. Stang life. Shit. Ain't no telling what's under that hood right there. 390.
We have a raffle going on. Raffle.
393 stroker. Yeah, yeah. Boosted 250 on the side of it, man. Jeez. Oh my god, is that a Supra? Oh my goodness, boy. Check them boys out, dog. Check them boys out, man. Like I said, it's so many fly whips up here, bro. It's nothing the same. Video of everybody else's car. We got a video of everybody else's car but mine. So let's get a nice little video of my baby in the sun. We got everybody with but mine. Some people kept saying me, I thought your car was black, I thought it was blue. No, it's both. Gray bluish color like a Rhino Grado. Not the regular one. Not the regular one. And, you see how big that bitch is? Come on, man. Them wheels, oh yeah. Show the inside, man. Yeah, I can get the inside view, man. This bad motherfucker right here. Hey man, but shout out to M&S America, man. I'm dropping this. I'm throwing this on the tag today, as soon as I get home. Actually, throwing all of this on. Shout out to them. Oh yeah, Mamba GT, that's the Instagram name. Mamba GT, did you, man? Yeah, got my man. I didn't even see this. When did this get up? AJ blue eye. It's not no red eye, man. It's a blue eye. Not no red eye. It's a blue eye, man. Yeah. Oh yeah. Shout out to Modifix for the customization on the supercharger, man. Really, it looked like they did the whole under the hood, man. Blue-eyed beast, man. Well, somebody is cooking onions, man. I can tell you this. They sauteing them hoes too. Jesse B713. Just bought a shirt from him. I like the shirt design, so I had to support it. I ain't gonna lie.
double, it came with the double star. Then I put the trunk inside the front, so when I'm backing up, I still front on every one.
How's that, bro?
You are parked in the wrong spot. Your car will be towed behind the DJ booth on the other end of the parking lot.
Gotta get your Instagram.
There's going to be a Jeep.
When I add everybody on their Instagram when I get home, go through the footage, check it out.
Toyota Camry, silver, RLX,
Camry cake.
It's going to be Audi SFY349 blue.
Yeah,
Next
man.
to the Hyundai Sonata LKY877.
Oh, man.
The cars
I ain't
that
gonna lie.
I'm announcing are in danger of
This
being
is
towed.
inspiration to see people building stuff like this because I know they building their dream car.
Not inside the show lot. 8162.
Ejectocito, cuz.
Hyundai Accord LJL7711.
Yeah,
Gray. Dodge Charger.
Hey, man. When you see this, you see the steering wheel right there. Don't believe this, man. Don't believe that, man. That is not stop. Do not believe this, man. I can tell you right now. He probably got a computer inside of there just chilling, waiting on the Hellcat to pull up. Look at this, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this is clean. Check him out. Need to learn how to stop hitting the curves, but other than that, he good. Buzz out here, man. This cool, this cool. Oh, we got a freak. That boy's a freak. That Brazzers. Street King. You know, we gotta get that ball in here, man. ACS Blanco 5-0. ACS Blanco, man. Little freaky ass. We gonna at you too. We gonna at you. Let me see you drift that thing, man. Let me see you drift it. Oh, yes, sir. Hey, man, we got all types of toys and whips out here, man. Y'all ain't seen nothing like that, man. We got everything out here, man. Tokyo, Houston. Man, if you want to go check them out with your JDM, KDM card, Tokyo, Houston, they gonna holler at you, get your right. Alright, YouTube, we just left the car meet, man. I was getting a little hot. So, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the footage. You know what I'm saying? If y'all did, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to see, man. We outside all week, all weekend, every day. This, you know what I'm saying? This is what we do now. So, let me know what y'all want to see, and we're going to hit that road and get it for y'all, man. Alright, y'all boys be safe, though. We had this, oh, shit. Alright, we had our second meet for the day. I just heard somebody say, is that a track? So I'm finna go find them and beat their ass. Other than that, man, let's enjoy the cars. Let's enjoy the cars. This is a big one. The last one was that kind of smaller, but it was still nice. But this is a big one. Look at this SL 550, man. Peanut butter good, top down. That's how you pull up, man. Clean. OEM wheels. Yeah, that bitch is clean. Look at this Jaguar. What kind of Jaguar this is? F maybe? Watch out, I'm in the street. That's how clean, man. Yeah, F type, like I said. Definitely gotta get y'all this shot right here. You gotta, what this is? R6. Clean, man. Hell yeah. It's you, bro?
I wish.
Shit, me too. That house is clean, man. What's the two-step or he rolling out? Hey, what is this? This a vet? Yeah, this a vet. CB up vet. I don't know what the hell they say. Look at this fucking wing. You see what it say? Thick thighs save lives, man. This is clean. I'm not gonna lie, this one is clean. Wink at him. Say hey. That's nice. That's hella nice. Hell yeah. He winking at him, man. Y'all see him? I'm gonna edit that clip so I can say hey. You got an Instagram, bro? Okay, I see it. Look, at 92_MIA right here. Yes, sir. Nice whip, bro. Yeah. Is that my boy Johnny? Hey, that's my boy Johnny right there. What's up, man? Yeah, it's 550 Johnny done pulled up, man. What I tell y'all, man? There go the man, the myth, the legend, S550 Johnny, man. Every time I look on Instagram, Pat Built Performance posting them. Oh, I didn't even get. It's an inside shop. Okay, I heard you started up. We can get a rail. We can get a rail. Oh yeah. Let's get it. Hell yeah. That bitch is live. Hey, nice car, bro. He down there blew my eardrums off. Oh, Nissan Skyline, yeah. Shit. GTR boys, man. GTR boys, man. It said make NA cars popular again. Okay, he say NA.
Like you drive that with John Martin, like fuck yeah, dude, get that extra oomph, you know? Heavy boots.
But we got the camera on 1%, so this probably be the outro, man. Today was a productive day, so GT350 Shelby. But which one? Your guess is better than mine. Let's check it out. But yeah, like I was saying, it's been a good productive day, so the camera's finna die, so we probably catch y'all later.